Follow these 4 simple steps to even out your skin tone. Who doesn't want their skin to be flawlessly smooth and even toned? While some people are naturally predisposed to the desired glow, the majority of us aren't, but it doesn't mean it's impossible to achieve. All it needs is the correct products and a consistent regimen. We recruited the help of prominent dermatologists to learn how to attain even skin tones once and for all. Continue to watch for the greatest skin tone evening methods, tactics, and secrets. First and foremost, what exactly is an uneven skin tone? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's define what uneven skin tone is. Uneven skin tone can take various forms, but it essentially refers to when the skin exhibits hyperpigmentation in the form of blotchiness, patches, or an uneven texture. Whether having a single, uniform tone throughout your face, you may notice some brown patches or redness here and there. Think of age spots, blemishes, or sunspots. What causes a difference in skin tone and how you can avoid it? Well, we'd want to blame one bad guy. There are a number of factors that contribute to uneven skin tone. Acne and acne scarring, according to dermatologists, are a major issue. Both can cause skin darkening that might persist a long time. If you have acne, don't wait until the scars have formed to cure it. Choose acne-treating and preventing products like as cleansers and spot treatments. Another important factor is UV damage. Sun damage accelerates skin aging, as you've surely heard time and time again. According to experts, unprotected UV exposure causes 90% of the indication of aging. Sun damage causes uneven skin tone, as well as fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. The good news is that you can avoid it. Even if the weather appears to be overcast, don't leave the home without sunscreen. To guard against pollutants and light sources such as UV, light bulbs, and blue light, dermatologists recommend applying an antioxidant serum and wide-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen in the morning from your phone and computer. Of course, normal aging not caused by the sun has an influence on uneven skin tone. While you can't stop your skin from aging, you may help it along by using the right cosmetics. It's crucial to use a nice eye cream and moisturizer. Step-by-step instructions on how to even out your skin tone. Exfoliate first. According to dermatologists, exfoliating your skin is extremely vital since it helps remove dead skin cells, revealing a fresh new layer of glowing skin. Sloughing helps to level out skin tone and even remove fine wrinkles in some circumstances. They caution against overexfoliating since this might result in more uneven skin tone, which is precisely what we want to avoid. Step 2. Apply a brightening serum on your face, preferably with vitamin C. Your treatment solutions will enter skin even better now that you've removed the top layer of dead skin cells. Use an antioxidant serum to brighten your overall complexion, as well as any dark areas. When it comes to skin lightening, vitamin C is the benchmark. It's a potent antioxidant that also protects skin from free radical damage. Win-win. Investigating in a good brightening booster is a terrific idea. It's light but powerful, and it's suitable for all skin types and tones. You may use a few drops alone or mix it in with your moisturizer and put it on your skin. Step 3. Use a glycolic peel. You may exhale a sigh of relief if a peel quickly transports you back to Samantha's famous Sex and the City episode. We're not talking about a severe peel here. According to renowned dermatologists, glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid that helps to exfoliate, enhance, balance out skin tone. It's ideal for folks who don't have a lot of skin irritation. If you have inflammatory skin or are unsure if a pill is best for you, we recommend consulting a dermatologist first, since harsh pills can sometimes aggravate the situation. Always follow the guidelines, particularly specify duration and frequency, and finish with a barrier repair cream. Step 4. Use an SPF moisturizer. Finally, a moisturizer and sunscreen, or a combination of the two. Both of these actions are essential in your skincare routine. Skin that is kept moisturized is plump and healthy, with a strong skin barrier and less fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Sunscreen should also be a no-brainer at this time, as it is a leading cause of aging. Both are necessary for a more even skin tone. This is your choice. You may use a combination of moisturizer with SPF that won't leave your skin feeling chalky or oily after application. You can also utilize two different goods.